Welcome to today's edition of Polymer Bazaar's daily video news, dated August 30th, 2023. Our broadcast is brought to you by Samyak Enterprise, a distinguished polymer trading company headquartered in Ahmedabad, boasting over 2 decades of industry expertise. In this edition, our focus revolves around the PVC Global Bazaar Watch, comprehensively covering bazaar trends across the USA, Europe, and Asia. We're excited to announce that Polymer Bazaar, in partnership with Amaplast, will lead the Indian importers delegation at the upcoming Plast 2023 event in Italy, Europe, scheduled from September 5th to 8th, 2023. For business opportunities, connect with us at Plast 23. Get ready for an in-depth look at the PVC Bazaar for the last week of August 2023. Starting in the USA, Westlake and Formosa Plastics raised domestic PVC prices by 4 cents per pound for September 2023. Westlake, a major U.S. PVC producer, plans to shut down its 730 KTPA VCM unit in Plaquemine, Louisiana, for maintenance in September. Shintech, the world's largest PVC manufacturer with a strong presence in the USA, also plans a temporary closure of its Plaquemine complex in October, including an 890 KTPA PVC production unit, for maintenance. Meanwhile, Hurricane Idalia has intensified to a Category 3 storm near the Gulf Coast of Florida, prompting widespread evacuations. Port Tampa Bay is closed as a precaution. The storm is expected to make landfall in northern Florida, east of Pensacola, where some nylon and thermoset resin plants are located. Shifting our focus to Europe, after the summer break, Europe's PVC bazaars are coming back with a positive outlook as August comes to a close. September is shaping up with bullish expectations due to potential increases in monomer contracts, reduced stock pressure, and optimism about increased replenishment activity. Despite concerns about sharp declines in business activity and growing recession fears, sellers are finding reasons for hope in the global bazaar's stabilization, the return of buyers, and tight producer margins in the face of rising costs. This positive sentiment extends to all commodity polymers as they head into September. As per reliable sources, Northwest Europe spot PVC prices held higher at €920 to €960 per metric ton. Before we delve into the Asian bazaars, we kindly request your support by liking and sharing this video. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Polymer Bazaar and activating the notification bell for polymer price updates. For instant access to the latest open bazaar prices and news via WhatsApp, simply send a message with the keyword PVC to +9193 746 24365. Our AI-powered chatbot service ensures that all price and news updates are delivered within 5 seconds for swift information retrieval. Now, let's explore the Asian bazaars. Ethylene prices remain stable at $865 per metric ton for CFR Southeast Asia and $835 per metric ton for CFR Northeast Asia. Similarly, VCM prices are assessed at $720 per metric ton for Southeast Asia, and EDC prices remain stable at $265 per metric ton. The current price for calcium carbide has surged to 3,250 renminbi per metric ton and is displaying an upward trajectory. Turning our attention to the Chinese bazaars, PVC futures contracts for September 2023 opened lower today at 6,115 renminbi per metric ton, compared to the previous closing rate of 6,113 renminbi per metric ton at the Dalian Commodity Exchange. In the upcoming days, we anticipate a decrease in PVC maintenance activities, which could lead to increased production. Except for a few companies facing cost or raw material supply challenges, there haven't been any significant changes in downstream orders or exports, but transaction prices in the bazaars are under pressure. Now, on to India. The Chinese PVC maker is offering its ethylene base S1000 at $875 per metric ton for CIF Nhava or Mundra with payment terms of an LC. Processors were not in a mood to purchase R/M in excess of their immediate requirement as they experienced weak end product demand. We extend our heartfelt thanks for tuning in to today's news. Your viewership is of immense value to us, and we trust you found the information both informative and beneficial. Tomorrow, on Thursday, Polymer Bazaar will present the weekly report and a forward-looking trend analysis for PET. Make sure to join us to stay abreast of the latest developments in the Polymer Bazaar. Once again, thank you for watching, and we wish you a fantastic day ahead.